Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation. And in this automation, the requirement was to, whenever there is an insertion, one row or maybe multiple rows, there should be insertion in on the same rows and same number of rows on the R's reported tab so that we can always align the data from which is manual on column E and F and which is dynamic on the other side. So we'll be matching every time. So let me show you the demo, how it's going to work. So for example, if we are going to insert a row on row number 4, I'll insert the row and quickly go to the other tab, and here you will see a row has been inserted, which is blank, and this one will get filled out once someone is filling in the data on the other side. So if I'll fill the data quickly, you will see the data has been filled and it's working fine. Similarly, for example, if we add the data on maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows after row number 6, insert rows and jump in here and see. You can see 5 rows has been added in here, and these will get filled out if we fill the data on the other sheet. So you can see the data has been filled. And if this is making any sense, it's going to pull the data uh, on these C, D, and other tabs, other columns, sorry. So let me add a column maybe above 5. All right. I think I should add under 6. Okay, so we have another row in here. So now I'm going to fill the data with the same values on the fleet tab, and it should reflect the values. Okay, so this is the manual value. So this is an automatic value which is coming in based on 5100. Okay, so it's subtracting, but we do not have any value in here. But if I'll enter 5100 and maybe 300, yep, it's working fine. So this is how it's going to work. So now there is another thing. So for example, if you add a row on row number 14, and you will see the raw 14 has been added in here. But if you see, no, I don't want to add it, I mistakenly updated or inserted a raw on row number 14. So what you can do, you don't need to delete this. You can simply press undo 2 times and this will be done. It will take you, okay, let me show this again. So if I'll insert a raw on row number 14, you will see a raw has been added on the R's reported tab, but you don't want to keep this. You want to insert maybe after 15 or before 13. So you need to undo. It will take you to this sheet and then you need to click undo again. So there will be 2 undos so that we can revert the change on the other sheet as well. So this is just a simple trick. If you insert multiple rows, you might need to click multiple times so that it will undo on the other sheet as well, because as soon as you will insert the data raw in this sheet, it's going to insert the raw on the other sheet. Okay, so the quick wrap. Um, Let me take a sheet in here. So, okay, row number 7. So there is a value in between. I'm going to insert a row. Click on this 7, right click and insert one row. And here you should see, yeah, we have an empty row in here and this is working fine. So this will be working automatically and you have nothing to do. You just need to fill in the fields whenever there is needed. So if I fill in here, you will see the data updated here as well. So now you can update the data, and whenever you will be inserting more rows on top or maybe at the bottom, it will shift the data down so that there will be no mismatching of the alignment from column A to D and EF. Yep, I think that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further assistance or if you have any questions. Looking forward for your response. Take care.